Welcome my dear students. Today we are going to learn how to change the voice from active to passive. We know that there are two types of voice, active and passive. আজকে আমরা কিভাবে অ্যাক্টিভ থেকে প্যাসিভ করতে হয় সেই ভয়েস চেঞ্জের সেই রুলস গুলো সেগুলো আমরা জানি। তো প্রথমেই রুলস অফ চেঞ্জিং from active voice to passive voice. There are 4 or 5 rules, main rules. The rules are the same. The first rule is, one by one I am writing the rules. If you follow the rules, then voice change will be very much easy. Then you will be able to change the voice from active to passive. The first rule, we know that the structure of simple sentence is S plus V plus O. This is subject, this is verb, and this is object. This is the structure of simple sentence, assertive, affirmative sentence. First, look very carefully. First, what we have to do? We have to change the object into its subject position. We have to change it into subject. So, first rule, object will be the subject. First, step by step I am discussing. First step. Step 1. Second step is you have to use be verb. Without be verb plus V3. This is the frame of any passive sentence. In the passive sentence, how can you understand that it is in the passive voice? The main thing to notice is the structure of be verb. If there is B plus V3, then you will understand that it is in the passive voice. So, next step to be followed is to use be verb in accordance with the tense of the main verb. Be verb is to be used in accordance with the look very carefully. This is very important, because to use be verb you have to very careful. What you will notice here, what you will look carefully here. You have to see the voice is the tense. If it is in the present tense, then am is are will be used. If in the past tense, then was were. This type of be verbs will be formed. We know there are 8 forms of be verbs. Then in the second step you have to use be. Be is to be used in accordance with the tense of the verb, of the main verb, and number, gender and person. Number, gender and person of the subject. Subject means that is object in active. The object you have to, in the first step, you have to carry the object from its object position to the subject. First, the object will be the subject. First, look here. Object will be the subject. So when you will carry this object into its subject position, then look very carefully. If it is in plural number, then the verb will agree with the plural verb. If it is in the singular number, then it may be singular. The object may be plural. Look what I am saying very clearly. If the object is in the plural, it is in the singular. Don't look at this. Look at the object of the the number and person of gender of the object, because this object is the subject of your next sentence, the passive sentence. So you have to look very carefully the tense of the main verb and the number, gender, person. Why I am telling about number? If it is plural number, then you will use are or were in the past tense, and in the present tense are will be used. Number and gender. Gender is very important, because if it is masculine gender, if it is she or I, then one thing will be used, and if it is other things, gender, if gender matters in case of using verbs. If it is person, if I, then one am will be used. If he, then is will be used. In case of I, am will be used. So this is number, person and gender is very important. Then the next stage is this. The be is to be used in accordance with the tense of the main verb, number, gender and person of the subject. Third number is very simple. V3 of the main verb. Then fourth number. Then number 4. What is the fourth number rules? Let us see. After using the V3 of the main verb, you have to use one preposition. By. In most cases it is by. Normally we use by, but in other cases you may have to use to, or etc. With, in, at. It will be used in accordance with the verb. Appropriate phrasal verbs are preposition. These are the preposition. These will be used in accordance to the verb used. This will depend on the function and the meaning of the verb. The usage of verb is to be mentioned, is to be noticed by using. But normally by is used. And at last I told you that 5 rules are there, and this is the last rule. Subject will be the object. Subject in the active will be the object, and it will be placed at the end. Whatever the subject is, just put it at the end. And this is the rule of changing voice from active to passive. So these are the rules. Now let us an example. Suppose he wrote a letter. So this is the subject, this is main verb, and this is the object. What was our first step? First step was object will be the subject. Next be verb. Next V3 plus by plus object will be the subject. Just the opposite. O will be S. S will be the object. Object will be subject and subject will be the object. Just look, it is the opposite of the first one. Number 1 and 5 is the opposite. Object will be the subject at the beginning and object will be the subject at the end. So this is the object. First we have to follow. What is the object? A letter. This will be the subject of our passive. This is active and this is passive. In passive we have to use what rules we have to follow. First object will be the subject. This is the object. So place it at the beginning. If it is pronoun, then its object, it will be in the objective form. If it is there him, then it will be here he, because it is the objective form. But in the subject's place, its case will be changed. Its case will be subjective or nominative case, because its place is there as a subject. Now look at the second rule. Second step, be. So what be verbs will be there? Look at the tense. It is if it is in the simple past tense, then was or were will be used. As it is singular number, so was will be used. Very simple. There is nothing to say more. Then third number was written. We know the past participle form of write. Written. A letter was written. Here, in active voice, the subject is active. It means that he wrote himself. He wrote. Who wrote the letter? He wrote the letter. But here, we are saying something about the object. Something is said about the object. A letter was written. A letter does not do anything. Here, look at the difference between active voice and passive voice. Here, he is a doer of the action. But here it is the receiver of action. A letter was written. Nothing does a letter do. Here he does the work. He did the work. He did the act of writing. So it is active voice. But in the passive voice, the object becomes the subject, and this subject is the receiver of action. That means a letter was written. Something was done to the subject, and that is why it is in the passive form. Look very carefully. What is the active voice and what is the passive voice? In the passive voice, the subject is the receiver of action, and in the active voice, the subject is the doer of action. He himself does the action. Look at the point of. Let us come here in the fourth step. A letter was written. Now by will be here used. By him. This is subjective form, and if you change it into object's place, then you have to change the case of the pronoun into its objective case. We know objective case of he is him. So it is all done. I think it is very now clear. So try to follow these rules and it will be very much easy. Now, and I have said about number, person and gender. Number, person, gender of the object. So look another example. He wrote, he writes many letters. Many letters. Look, this is plural number. This is plural number. Plural. So follow the rules of changing from active to passive. First rule, remember what I have shown. I have said that the object will be the subject. Now, many letters, this becomes the subject. And now you have to look very carefully. What is the number, person, gender of the subject? Here it becomes the subject. So the verb agrees with the subject always. So it is as it is plural number. And you have to also notice the tense. If it is in present tense, then you have to use am, is, are. And this is third person, singular number, plural number. So are will be used, not is. Is will not be used, am will not be used, because it is plural number and this is simple present tense. So we have completed the second step. For last, past participle written, it will be the same. Without V3, no passive is same. No passive is possible without V3. So it will be the same. Its past participle form will be used in all cases of passive voice. Now by, then again its objective form him. This is all done. This is done. So these are the rules I have explained one by one, and there are some rules from changing the subjective case to objective case. You have to know these things. How to change objective case to subjective? He, if it is he, then him. If it is I, then me. It will be me, we, us, she, by her. he. If there is he, it will be by him, I by me, we by us, she by her, they by them. These are the objective form. These are the subjective or nominative form, and you will not be changed. You will be you, and there are other forms, other subject. It will remain same. It by it. And if a person, Naveen, if there is a person, then by Naveen. So these are the rules of changing from active to passive. These are the objective, subjective pronoun, and their case will be into objective. So this is all for today. I will ask you, if you like this video, then you will share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.